Hi, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you become somebody, because most people you meet are no one. And before we jump into exactly what I mean by that, my name is Ken Blumberg, your All-American Realtor, and I'm helping you live your American dream and achieve more success in your business and your life. All right, so what do I mean by that? I mean, we meet a lot of people. We see a lot of people on the internet every day on social media. Essentially, most of those people are meaningless in our lives, right? You meet them, the conversation is very superficial. You feel like they have nothing to offer you. A lot of times you walk away from the conversation, you feel like you didn't offer any value to that person. And that is exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about connecting on an emotional level and becoming somebody to that person, and also, more importantly, having yourself become somebody to them. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. This is something that I continually do on a daily basis just as a practice, because I think it's so important that this becomes ingrained in your personality. And when it does, you'll see how easily it is to connect with people. You'll see how miraculously your social circle improves and your real estate business explodes when you start connecting with people. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So recently I was at a high-rise tower here in Las Vegas, and I'm getting the unit ready for sale. So I know it was a good thing for me to have connections with management. So if I ever needed to get a buyer in there to show the home, if I ever needed a favor, if I needed work done, which I actually do, I have water damage that I'm going to have corrected at the building. I knew it was a good idea for me to be connected with the management of the building. So through a simple conversation, I was saying that I was going on vacation, and the manager opened up that she was going on vacation also. So I inquired, where are you going? What are you doing on your vacation? She said that she was staying home with her son because her son was autistic, and she said that through spending time with her son, that she could see the improvement and growth in his abilities to understand. And through her time and effort and love, she was saying that she could see the growth in her son, and that his abilities were far exceeding what most of her family and friends were telling her was possible. Because they were all telling her, don't work so hard, don't put so much energy and love into your son. And I said, well, I disagree with that. I think it's fantastic. I think it's a beautiful thing that you're going to spend the time with your son and give your love to him and make sure that he achieves the best he possibly can achieve in his life and becomes the best person that he can possibly be. And then we started talking about a book that I read that was influential for me, which is called Atomic Habits. And basically I related it back to the story that she was telling me. In the book Atomic Habits, the author says he was hit in the head with a baseball bat. I believe it was in high school, and he started from zero. So he had to relearn how to walk, relearn how to speak properly, and relearn all the skills that he had developed from childhood. But through doing that, through developing the habits and the work ethic, actually achieved far more in his life than most people could ever dream about. He became a best-selling writer. He became an international speaker. And again, we're talking about his book right now. And I highly recommend that you pick up that book and internalize it and find your own atomic habits. But I don't want to digress too far off the topic. But through the conversation with the property manager at the building, I could tell that she was really, really appreciative about me reinforcing her goals, her values, and her love and connection with her son. And she wrote down the name of the book, and she said, I'm going to look that up. Because again, when somebody deeply believes in something and you reinforce that and you tell them that they are doing the right thing and that you care about them and that you want to see them succeed in their efforts, that is how you build a deep, meaningful relationship. Now, I know every time I go back to that building, she will know exactly who I am when I walk into her office, and she is going to be much more receptive to helping me if I ever need it. And in a very short time, I built a meaningful connection with somebody that not only would help me, but feels that I care and would help her if the situation ever arose. So that's what I'm talking about. When you talk to somebody, your friends, your family, your real estate contacts, you need to become somebody in their lives and show them that you care about them in a deep and meaningful way. And you can do that very quickly once you start to put those habits into practice. Now, of course, you have to learn your scripts, you have to learn your follow-up systems, and a whole host of other skills and systems to take your business to the very highest level. But connecting on an emotional level will ensure that you are not a nobody and that you are a somebody to the people that you want to connect with. So since I know you got something out of this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you're starting to implement this skill in your life and your business. And if you'd like to learn more about taking your business and your life to the next level, reach out to me so we can get you on the path to increasing your skill set and implementing the systems in your business so you can achieve the business and life that you're looking to live. So thanks for watching. I'll look forward to talking to you soon, or I'll see you on the next video.